How to use Capitaliseai app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Capitaliseai is one of the smartest tools in modern investing. It lets you automate trading using plain English commands, no coding required. But most beginners either misuse it or underestimate its potential. Let's fix that. The first mistake is setting up trades without clear logic. Just because you can automate doesn't mean you should automate blindly. Write specific, rule-based strategies like buy Bitcoin if price drops by 5% in a day. Clarity equals control. The second mistake? Ignoring backtesting. Capitaliseai allows you to simulate your strategies on past market data. Beginners often skip this, but it's essential to see how your plan performed before risking real money. Another error? Overcomplicating automations. Start simple. Create one or two basic strategies, analyze results, and then build from there. Too many conditions can confuse your execution flow. Pro tip: use the alerts feature. Even if you're not trading automatically, Capitaliseai can notify you when your conditions are met, helping you act fast without being glued to charts. And here's the surprising truth: automation isn't about removing control. It's about removing emotion. Used properly, Capitaliseai gives you the precision of an algorithm with the judgment of a human investor, a combination that can seriously elevate your trading game.